Okay, cleaning your phone from viruses or bacteria. This is the product called Phonesoap. It's well, virtual soap. It's UV light. You place your phone inside the tray. There's a UV light here and there. You close it, the lights up, and then after 10 minutes it's cleaned from bacteria and known viruses. Probably also from COVID, not sure, but known viruses are killed. But you can also do it the more easy way, which is with this phone, the CAT S52, use normal soap. So I can use this soap, apply a little bit of foam, soap, rinse everywhere, the front, the side, the buttons, the fingerprint, the lens, all the entries. So have a thorough cleaning. 20 seconds is the official protocol with your hands here, even in the little ribs, and then wash it off. Ta-da! And it breaks the record of Phonesoap, which is still cleaning this device. Okay, so that's the big advantage of a waterproof phone.